Fixing PUBG Lite crash problem is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. After that, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, such as NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers. Next, lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. Lowering settings can help improve stability and reduce crashes. Now, if you're using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This can help ensure that no files are corrupted or missing. Now close any unnecessary background applications and processes that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, software updates, and other non-essential programs. After that, monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures using software like HW Monitor. If temperatures are too high, ensure that your PC is adequately cooled, and consider cleaning dust from your system's fans and heat sinks. Then, make sure your operating system is up to date with the latest updates from Microsoft. Also, ensure that your chipset drivers and other system drivers are updated.